Aircraft are complex machines that are constructed from a variety of materials to meet the rigorous demands of aviation, including strength, durability, and weight considerations. Here are some of the key materials used in the construction of aircraft. Number 1. Aluminum alloys. Aluminum and its alloys are commonly used in aircraft construction due to their lightweight nature and excellent strength-to-weight ratio. Alloys such as 2024 T3 and 7075 T6 are popular choices for structural components. Number 2. Composite materials. Composite materials, such as carbon fiber reinforced polymers, CFRP, and fiberglass, have become increasingly important in modern aircraft design. They offer high strength, low weight, and corrosion resistance. Composites are often used in components like wings, fuselage sections, and tail surfaces. Number 3. Titanium. Titanium is a strong, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant metal often used in critical components like landing gear, engine components, and structural elements in advanced aircraft. Number 4. Steel. High-strength steel alloys are used in parts that require exceptional strength, such as landing gear components and some engine parts. Number 5. Aerospace-grade plastics. Thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics are used in various aircraft components, including interior parts, fairings, and non-structural elements. They offer weight savings and design flexibility. Number 6. Compressed carbon. Compressed carbon materials, such as carbon-carbon composites, are used in high-temperature applications like aircraft brakes and heat shields. Number 7. Ceramics. Ceramics are utilized in certain engine components and heat-resistant applications because of their ability to withstand high temperatures. Number 8. Glass. Reinforced glass is used in aircraft windows and canopies due to its optical clarity, strength, and ability to withstand high-altitude pressures. Number 9. Honeycomb structures. Honeycomb core materials, often made from aluminum or composite materials, are used in sandwich panel structures to provide stiffness and strength with reduced weight. Number 10. Kevlar. Kevlar is used for its high strength and impact resistance in applications like armored cockpit panels and protective barriers. It's important to note that the choice of materials in aircraft construction depends on several factors, including the specific function of the component, the type of aircraft, for example, commercial, military, or general aviation, and the desired balance between strength, weight, and cost. Advances in material science continue to drive innovation in aviation, with an emphasis on reducing weight and improving fuel efficiency while maintaining safety and performance standards.